wig down. Sunber, you did your big one. Y'all did your big one.
And then it's about you, baby. Only you.
Welcome back to the channel. Your girl is back. I am so excited to be here. I hope you can tell that's a little bit brighter because I did get a new ring light. I feel like it has been a cute little minute since I tried a unit out from Sunber. So we're gonna see if the quality is still there. Give you guys all the deets. But I do have some goodies. Also provide a elastic band for your wig. But let's go ahead and get it in. It is a water wave unit. It's a natural color, 24 inch. And like I said, it does have that upgraded drawstring on this. I know that has been big in the wig community. They're trying to let the girls know you don't have to add any glue, you don't have to add any hairspray, because that elastic band, that little drawstring is going to hold it down, hold it in place. So I can appreciate that. The party said, we are here, we arrived on time. This is a closure wig. So this is a 7x5, 24 inch Byebyeknots water wave natural wig with drawstrings. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and you do get an 18% discount today if you use the code that I have down below in my description box, so make sure you check that. I'm loving the texture of the water wave. I feel like sometimes water wave has the illusion of a deep wave texture, but I feel like this is giving off like a nice little ocean wave situation, like a really pretty, I want to say Spanish wave, really gorgeous. But I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper out so we can really get into the inside of this wig. It does look like it has the breathable mesh on the inside, if y'all can tell. I want the comfort, and I do appreciate this kind of mesh, breathable mesh construction on a wig. They do have the elastic strap so you can adjust it to your comfort level. And then once again, this is the little drawstring that I love to let y'all know that they consider this their newest upgrade in a lot of these companies, and they have been really pushing this just so the girls can just cut down the install time in half. So you literally just pinch the button, pull down, and then take this tiny little circle piece at the top, and then you just put right on top, and this is going to secure that button and make sure that it's staying in place. If you're trying to put your hair up in ponytails, I feel like that gives a more natural illusion. You have the trusty tried and true elastic strap in the back that you can pull to each side and just latch on the little fabric hooks back here so you can have that security, that non-slip feel, that extra comfort level. And I love that. Anything of that sort. If you are a stickler like me and you do like to have that extra security when it comes to a little bit of hairspray in the front, I mean, girl, me and you are here, I totally understand, but you really don't have to do it in this case. Not to mention, the lace is tinted and it looks very nice. It looks like it fits melanated skin. So I don't think I'm gonna have to use any tinted lace products to enhance my lace because it's already there. We love that over here. This is feeling tight and right already. I did adjust the strappy, like the typical straps that come on a wig, but I didn't adjust the elastic band. But I'm just lifting the hair up so y'all can see me tuck the comb. And obviously you want to pull it to your comfort. You don't want to OD, so please don't. And then taking the button and pulling the button right on top of it. Now you just want to take the extra fabric and then tuck it underneath your wig. So obviously you don't want it too far down your neck, so just adjust it to your comfort level and making sure it feels and looks natural on over here on the sides. But when it comes to the front part, the way this is laying and the way this is not lifting on its own, I'm shook. A little ghostly over here on this side, so I'm gonna make sure I add a little bit of foundation product. Just because I have like a lighter wig cap, I feel like this little tiny piece right here is kind of trying to play around. So I'm gonna add a little extra tint to the lace in the middle. With this heavy, deep part, y'all, do y'all see that part? I'm gonna combine my Moisture Miracle Rose Water Argan Oil Soft and Smooth Curl Mousse. I love this stuff. I've been obsessing over this. Alright, so this is what it's given up close. I wanted to make sure that we switch cameras just so you guys can see the difference. And as you can see, still no hairspray. I don't really feel like it's needed. And I did add like the heat, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of mousse. It's about 80% dry, so I really do love the pattern still, even with the extra enhancements of the mousse. Your thoughts? I will do a side part and like a calm little updo style, just so we can see what the 7x5 is giving. And the confidence level with wearing this without hairspray is really high. I'm really shocked. I feel like sometimes even like when I jump off a camera, I still want to add the hairspray, but right now I'm not feeling that way at all. So I really do appreciate that because that's very rare for me. I'm going to take a few pictures of the hair like this before I move on to the next style, because I think I want to do like a little side part with y'all, but not only a side part, I want to have like a little updo style as well.
You know then it's about you, baby. Only you. Like I ain't been there, wanna go back today. Keep going to that's the end of there. It's you, I got something. It's you, I don't get any. I don't have to play, but what do you say? Only till I'm dead and need a little. Happens to I've seen the tunnel.
Alright babe, so this pretty much sums up the side part action. Y'all know a good side part always does the whole look some good. And with me pairing it with this orange dress, I feel like it really ate down. Subtle baby hairs, love the curve on the parting, which, you know, that lets you know you have a lot of free parting to work with. I'm choosing to do the updo now. I have to create like a little extra piece of baby hairs because I didn't have as much on, I want to say the left side as I did on the right. So, you know, I had to make sure that this wasn't going to lift on me, enhance the curl pattern. But I did want to let y'all know that the overall hair, I really did like the quality. I rated about an 8.5. I did get some slight shedding, but nothing crazy, nothing excessive. But because this was my initial install, I feel like I do need some time with the hair, but I loved it, and I will link all their information down in the description box below. Hey, down. Sunber, you did your big one. Y'all did your big one